A FedEx truck driver just emailed me and said this is from a FedEx truck page. Now, here's the thing. His PSA, law enforcement is always recording us. So make sure you're always recording them, because this is a law enforcement officer that was off duty. But in any case, always record, because the video does not lie. What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. We have a FedEx truck driver here that wants to share something from their FedEx truck page. Right now, here is the situation. And I want to say as a disclaimer, there's good law enforcement, but in situations, there are bad. So here's the PSA here from a FedEx driver. It says, Alex, attached, you will see a video from a FedEx truck that was struck by a pickup going the opposite direction, driven by an off-duty Dallas County Sheriff in Missouri. The driver of the truck shows professionalism when approaching the other driver. The sheriff, on the other hand, is far from professional. But what's insane, after the initial incident, when the driver's on the phone with his safety director, the video shows the importance of recording interaction with law enforcement personnel, whether on duty or off duty. Please review the footage and post it for our traveling community. This was posted on the FedEx driver's page. And basically, the biggest thing about this is they just want to let you know, look, there's a lot of good law enforcement out there, but they're recording you. You're allowed to record them.